Simplify chained comparison. I have an integer value x, and I need to check if it is between a start and end values, so I write the following statements. This statement gets underlined, and the tooltip tells me that I must simplify chained comparison. As far as I can tell, that comparison is about as simple as they come. What have I missed here?
In Python you can chain comparison operations, which just means they are and ed together. In your case, it'd be like this. Reference this URL.
It can be rewritten as or.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.